Very quickly, I'm going to show you how you can install Thread from Play Store. Without much ado, let's get started. Go to Play Store on your phone and then you get inside the Play Store. And once you get to Play Store, what you're going to do is that you just search for Thread, that is Instagram Thread, and you will see it there. You can see here's the thread. This is it. And what you have to do now is that you are going to click on install, and then it will begin to install. This thread is actually an Instagram app, and it's very good, a competitor to Twitter. So make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video. So it's about to install. So now it's installing. So Thread, an Instagram app, has been installed. So click on open, and it's gonna launch with Instagram. If your Instagram account, if you are using it, has been activated, it will auto logged in. Okay. However, if you have not been using an Instagram account, you will have to log in with an Instagram account. Okay, so here it is. So follow me in the next video as I will show you how you can log in with an Instagram account. Okay, so make sure you actually subscribe to this channel, and I'm gonna see you in the next video.